What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a catch-all. Now basically what a catch-all is it'll take all the emails that you get from your orders and put them into one place. Essentially what you're going to do is you can put 1 at domain.com, you can put 2 at domain.com, and it'll send all the emails to the same spot, and it won't recognize that you're using the same email address. Otherwise, if you use the same email for all your billing profiles, your orders are going to get canceled. So doing this is going to send all your emails to one spot and you won't get any cancels. If I do help you guys out in any way, please make sure to hit that like button and check out some of my other videos. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so now that we're on my computer, the first thing you're going to want to do is pick out the domain you would like. I would advise you to have a .club domain just because it's going to be pretty cheap. So for my domain, I'm going to use unlimitedmail.club. Simply just hit the search icon, and then you'll see all these domains down here. As you can see, mine's right here, so I just added it to cart. It's only going to cost me $1.50 a year, which is a pretty good price. So once you've done that, just hit view cart, and then you'll be in your cart. Now there isn't any promo codes going on, so we're going to have to pay the full $1.50, but that's not very much. Now I would advise you to have WhoisGuard on, just because it's free and it's going to protect your information. And once you have it in your cart, you can just hit confirm order, put in all your information or sign into an account if you have one, and then check out your domain. Now once you've placed your order on your domain, come up to your account and hit dashboard. Now this is going to show you all your domains. You're probably only just going to have one, but I have a couple, so just hit manage on the one you just purchased. Now once you're on this page, you're going to want to scroll down to where it says redirect email and hit add catch-all. Now on the left side it's going to say catch-all, and then on the right it's going to have an empty box saying forward to. You're going to want to put your email in there. Just put your email in there and hit save changes. It's as simple as that, guys, to make a catch-all. Now all of your emails are going to go to one place. Now if you're setting up different profiles, I'd recommend having like profile 1 at unlimitedcop.club, and then for your second profile, profile 2 at unlimitedcop.club. And I would not recommend having the same exact email address just because they might cancel your orders. And also it doesn't matter what you put before the unlimitedcop.club because it's still going to go to that same email address. Now this is a pretty short video, guys. If I helped you guys out in any way, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and check out some of my other videos. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.